If you're trying to keep your info private online without spending a ton, you're in the right place. I'm going to walk you through some solid free VPNs that you can use. But if you end up wanting something a little more comprehensive, you can also check out some paid VPNs that I highly recommend via the links in the description below or by scanning the QR codes that you'll see on screen to get some of the most solid deals out there. Okay, so here are some of the best free VPNs out there currently. First one's ProtonVPN. What's nice about it is that even on your free plan, you get unlimited data. Most free VPNs cut you off after a few gigs, which gets annoying fast. With ProtonVPN, you can stream, browse, and download without worrying about hitting a limit halfway through the month. It's also one of the most trustworthy options since it's made by the same people behind ProtonMail, so they take privacy seriously. Then there's Windscribe, which is another solid pick if you're just dipping your toes into VPNs. Their free plan gives you 10 gigabytes a month, and the speeds are actually pretty decent. You can even choose from a few different server locations, which makes a difference if you're trying to access content that's restricted to certain countries. Plus, the app's easy to use, so you don't need to be good with tech to figure it out. And if you're someone who just wants something simple, something that doesn't overcomplicate things, then TunnelBear might be your thing. It's probably one of the most beginner-friendly VPNs out there. The design's clean, the setup's quick, and everything just works right out of the box. You only get 500 megabytes a month on the free plan, which is super limited, but for basic use or just testing how a VPN works, it's fine. Now, while these free VPNs do their job, the thing is, free comes with trade-offs. They're okay for casual browsing or for a quick fix, but they're not built for heavy or long-term use. And here's why it might be worth going for a paid VPN instead. First, security. Paid VPNs have stronger encryption and better protocols, meaning your data is actually safe and not just kind of safe. Second, speed. You're not competing with thousands of other free users on a handful of servers, so your connection doesn't slow down much. And third, reliability. No ads, no random disconnections, no wondering if your data is being logged somewhere else. Paid VPNs usually have no log policies and transparent practices, which you don't always get from the free ones. With that in mind, let's talk about the paid VPNs that are genuinely worth checking out. Let's start with CyberGhost VPN. They've got a massive network of servers around the world, which means fast connections pretty much anywhere. What I like most about CyberGhost is how easy it is to use. Even if you've never touched a VPN before, the interface just makes sense. Plus, they've got specialized servers for streaming, so you can actually watch Netflix, Hulu, or whatever platform without running into those annoying content not available messages. I also like that they're super transparent about their no logs policy. They're best for anyone who streams a lot or wants a plug and play experience that doesn't require messing with settings. And the bonus here is pretty sweet. You can get 84% off plus 4 free months using the link below or by scanning that QR code on screen. Next up is NordVPN. And yeah, this one's from the same Norton that's been around forever in the antivirus world. What's great about NordVPN is that it's built with security in mind from the ground up. You get strong encryption and malware protection baked right in, so it's like having 2 layers of safety. The app itself is simple, clean, and works well on pretty much any device. I liked how smooth the performance was across my devices. It didn't randomly disconnect or slow things down. This one's best for families or anyone who wants an all-in-one security solution from a name they actually recognize. And with the link in the description or the QR code, you can get up to $35 off. Then there's Surfshark VPN. One of the best features is that it lets you connect unlimited devices. Seriously, you can use it on your phone, laptop, smart TV, and even your tablet all at the same time without limits. That's rare. Another standout is how sleek and straightforward the app is. I like that it doesn't bombard you with complicated settings. It's fast, clean, and the servers perform consistently well. Surfshark's great for people who have a bunch of gadgets or share accounts across multiple devices. And right now you can grab it for 60% off plus 3 free months when you use the link or QR code. NordVPN is another favorite, and if you've heard of VPNs before, you've probably heard of this one. They've got one of the biggest server networks out there and some of the strongest security features available. The thing that stands out for me is their specialty servers, like the double VPN feature that encrypts your data twice and Onion over VPN for an extra layer of anonymity. Speeds are solid, and it's perfect for people who take privacy seriously or travel a lot and want access anywhere. What I liked most was how stable the connection was even on long sessions. It's best for power users, privacy enthusiasts, or anyone who doesn't want to compromise. And the deal right now is 74% off plus 3 free months with the link or the QR code. Lastly, TotalVPN deserves a mention here too. It's one of those options that's super affordable but doesn't feel cheap. It's easy to set up, quick to connect, and offers reliable speeds. The interface is simple enough that anyone can use it, and it still manages to provide decent protection and privacy for the price. I liked how responsive their customer support was and how light the app felt on my systems. This one's best for casual users who just want something that works without spending much. You can get 80% off using the link or the QR code too, which is pretty great deal for what you're getting. So yeah, free VPNs are fine for quick casual use, but if you actually care about your privacy and want something stable, faster, and secure, paid options are just on a different level. Think of it like this. You're not just paying for access, you're paying for peace of mind. And once you use a proper VPN, it's hard to go back to those free ones that throttle your speed or pop up with annoying ads every 5 minutes. Anyway, that's pretty much the rundown. Whether you're looking for something simple and free to start with or a premium VPN that gives you the full package, it really comes down to how much you value your privacy and online experience. And if you're ready to try one out, don't forget to check out the links in the description below or by scanning those QR codes on the screen to get the best price available on all the VPNs I just mentioned. Now, before you go, I'm curious, which do you prefer? Paid VPNs or free ones? I personally prefer paid VPNs because they're faster and I think their price is worth it. But what about you? Let me know in the comments below.